AP Calculus AB, find the equation of the line tangent to f at a given point, and we're going to do this today using the limit process. So we're going to use the limit process. And the limit process is defined above right here. And as we do this, this is what our AP reader is going to be looking for. So let's see if we can't get this out. You don't have to write this every time, but you do have to write the limit as the change in x approaches 0 every time. And then all I'm going to do is fill in the blanks. I'm going to use this as my model, and I'm going to fill that in. So I'm going to take this x squared, so I'm going to take x plus change in x squared plus this 3x, so 3 times x plus change in x, plus this 4, so plus 4. And the next thing is we're supposed to subtract out f of x, so I'm going to take out f of x, this negative sign here is this one here, and f of x, of course, is x squared plus 3x plus 4. We have all of this over change in x. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to expand this out and simplify. So the expansion of x plus change in x squared, I'm going to write this limit process again because that's what your reader is going to be looking for. The expansion of this is x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared. I just did FOIL here with this. I'm going to distribute this 3 in. That gives us 3x plus 3 changes of x plus that 4. I'm going to distribute this negative sign in. That gives us negative x squared minus 3x minus 4 all over change in x. What a pain in the neck, huh? Going to just keep working our way through this. Again, going to simplify here. The limit as the change in x approaches 0. This cancels this, doesn't it? 3x, negative 3x, 4, negative 4 leaves us with 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus 3 changes of x all over change in x. I'm going to go ahead and factor out. So factor out change in x. We want to factor out a change in x because we want to cancel this one at the bottom so we can go ahead and take this limit. So as I factor that out, sorry, but we do have to write this again. Factor out a change of x, and change of x times 2x is 2x change of x plus change of x plus 3 all over change of x. And hopefully now you can see these two things cancel. Just move this over here if you don't mind, and say that this is now the limit as the change in x approaches 0 of 2x plus change of x plus 3. Here we're going to go ahead and take that limit. So we're going to take the limit and say that f prime at x, the first derivative, the slope of our function at a given point is 2x. Remember we said we're going to let this change of x go to 0, so here's our change of x. We're going to let that go to 0 plus 3. And if you remember at the very beginning, they gave us the point, and the point they gave us was negative 2, 2. So let's find the slope. So I'm going to take f prime at negative 2, which is 2 times negative 2 plus 3, which is equal to negative 1. I'm going to go ahead and use point slope form now. And point slope form says y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope times x minus x sub 1, right? I'm going to fill in the blanks here and get y minus 2 is equal to negative 1, right, is the slope, times x minus minus 2, which is plus 2, isn't it? I'm going to keep simplifying this out, and as I simplify this thing out all the way, what I finally end up with is that y is equal to negative x, and that's the equation of the line tangent to our function at the point negative 2, 2. Hope this video is really helpful. Please remember to show your work clearly on the exam, to use the proper notation so you can get all of your points. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thank you.